This is Ken English. I'm in Daytona Beach, and I'm preparing for United Infrared's 2018 Thermal Imaging Conference in Myrtle Beach from the 30th of September to the 3rd of October. I'm going to shoot some pictures and video and conduct a session on video marketing basics. If you'd like to know more about the conference, check it out online, thermalimagingconference.com. Did you know Google processes 100 billion searches a month? That's an average of 40,000 inquiries a second. Google has answered 450 billion unique searches since 2003. By 2014, Google had indexed over 130 trillion web pages. Did you know Pinterest has 200 million active users each month? 31% of all online U.S. citizens use the platform. Did you know that LinkedIn has 500 million members? Over 3 million companies have created a LinkedIn account. Only 17% of U.S. small businesses have an account. Do you? Did you know that Facebook adds 500,000 new users every day? 6 per second. Why video? 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. More than half of video is viewed on a mobile device. 94% of Americans between 18 and 24 use YouTube. YouTube sees around 1 trillion mobile video views per day. 9% of U.S. small businesses use YouTube. 91% do not. And where does that put you? Are you a video user? Do you know how to create a video? Well, there's a very simple and basic way, and that's what I'm going to be talking about at the Thermal Imaging Conference. thermalimagingconference.com. I'll be talking about video marketing basics, taking digital images and creating video, much like the one you're watching now. This is Ken English from Daytona Beach, Florida.